Compounding is an art and science of making a customized medications for individual patients. Compounding pharmacists work with individual patients and prescribers to meet their individual need. Compounding preparations have a different strength, different flavors, different dosage forms, free from allergens compared to mass manufactured products. Compounding pharmacists help the patient by making different categories of compounding preparations such as dermatologic products for women's health, men's health, anti-aging preparations, products for animal patients, products for hormone replacement therapy, and also for weight management. This facility is equipped with all necessary equipment including prescription balances, mortars and pestles, ointment, slabs and pads, hot plates, hot water bath, anguator, laminar flow hood, and many more. The compounding instructor and staffs are qualified, trained, and certified in educating students in up-to-date compounding technique. Students learn how to create several dosage forms that are frequently prescribed for compounding in this advanced compounding lab. Students get hands-on experience of preparing non-sterile dosage forms such as solution, emulsion, suspension, gel, cream, tablets, capsules, troches, and lozenges. In addition, students prepare sterile products such as injectable and eye drops using laminar flow hood in the lab. Students also get trained on how to make hazardous compounding by making chemo IV solution in biological safety cabinet present in the lab.